Welcome home. Leah here, Doers Nation, and another day at Pathways to Peace. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I would love that oh so very much. It would warm my heart. And speaking of warmth, here's some fire for you. And bacon.
Well, all I want to do is eat this bacon, but it's frozen, and I want it now. It's not coming apart. I already tried, and I don't want to destroy this precious, precious meat of the gods. So, Tomorrow there will be bacon, but today there will not. Can't ruin 3 pounds of bacon by microwaving it to thaw it quickly. Refrigerator, it is. See you tomorrow around noon.
Until then, there's maintenance to be done. Muck boots on. And although these gloves may not be the best gloves for the task at hand, they were super handy. Ha ha ha. Okay, Mom, I'm ready to help. What are we going to do today? Well, today, Larry, we are going to take care of some maintenance. Oh, okay, Mom, that sounds good. I'll be by your side the whole time, I promise. I'm right here. These little guys were in a tree nook that's now covered in snow. I figured that they deserve to be shown off all year long, so let's move their residence temporarily to the pavilion. Have you noticed that maintenance on what you have is just as important, if not more important, than progress? See, everything that we work to obtain in our life, once we obtain it, must be maintained. Things like the car, the house, and the relationships that we bring into our life. See, I think that this is an important point to bring up because we often don't allow ourselves happiness until we have reached a goal. Yet every single day we are working to maintain the goals that we have already obtained. Fun fact for you, you can actually use the ash from your fireplace to melt the ice and snow on your property. But back to this maintenance piece. It's so important that we find joy in maintaining what we have. Then we can experience joy all the time. As most of you know, I am definitely a progress-oriented person. So it can sometimes be difficult for me to focus on the maintenance of the things that I have. But I have learned over the years that if I maintain what I have, I am so much better off in the long run. See, if you buy the car, but you never get oil changes and you never do the regular scheduled maintenance, that car's life has now been cut in half. And that's no fun. It's going to end up costing you way more and give you way more trouble in the long run. The same thing holds true with our home. So many of us are reluctant to do the little things here and there that need to be taken care of until we have issues with our house that are so paramount it doesn't feel like we'll ever be able to take care of them. Why not just take care of the little things in the here and now so later on you don't have huge issues? Pretty much what I'm trying to explain to you is that if you're so progress focused that you don't maintain what you have, you are constantly going to have to obtain new things. And this cycle will never ever end. That does not sound enjoyable. See, if you maintain what you have, you can actually enjoy it, and it's beautiful. A home that is fresh and clean, or a car that runs well, is taken care of, and is clean, is so much nicer than entering a home that's filled with dirt because you just didn't want to take those little steps day in and day out to have a home worth living in. Do you see all those nutshells? This is where the squirrel sits. So far, I have only used examples of material things, but this can be applied to absolutely everything in our lives. Think about it. Our relationships that we build with new people, if we maintain them, we care about them on a daily basis, touch base with them, and develop the friendship, or maintain it rather, those relationships last. Have you heard your friends say things like, "I haven't heard from you," or "Hi, stranger," and they almost seem insulted? That's because the regular maintenance for that relationship has not been taken care of. You unfortunately have a relationship now that is running rough because they feel neglected. Do the things on a daily basis so that the things that you have today can flourish and grow. If I personally am taking care of part of the maintenance of my day, and it's something that I don't necessarily enjoy, I look at the positive in the situation. For example, I really do not enjoy dishes, but if you see me on a big bake day, sometimes I will have done the dishes 10 or 12 times by hand. Yes, 10 or 12 times by hand. That's a whole lot of positive thoughts behind being able to push myself to do them over and over and over again. But I know that the dishes need to be done in order for a new batch to be baked, and there is great satisfaction in every piece to the process. And I don't know about you, but that text message in the morning that you get from the friend who cares enough to ask you how you are this morning, man, that feels good. Be that friend to other people. They deserve it, and you will see that what you have, you will keep, and you deserve to keep it. Do those little things day in and day out so that what you have, you appreciate and you can enjoy. Maintain what you have instead of looking to obtain, and obtain some more. Oh, and you remember that frozen bacon? It's not frozen anymore. Get in my belly. Hey, if you didn't subscribe already, please do so now. I need to maintain my image. Come on now. See you on the next one.